Hello guys, hello everyone. Good evening guys. This is tomatoes and a lot of onion and some chili, green chili guys. Gagawa tayo ng marag for the bread. Okay guys. So this is olive oil guys. Okay.
This is what?
That is olive oil. 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and this is our ingredients.
Onion, did you forget the name?
No, there is already. There is a witch. I have a cameraman, a woman. She's a witch girl.
Cameraman.
Camera woman.
Woman. Nabisit ko ni woman.
Camera girl. Kabek ka, kaya.
Gado woman. Lesbiano.
Astaghfirullah ya Rabbi. Oh,
Or bakla.
There is a bakla girl. Astaghfirullah ya Rabbi. So guys, here we go.
You do it. Asking my question.
Okay, so.
Asking my question.
So now go here, put the tomato together with chili. And then you guys, this is the Indian spices and the red chili. Put it together. Mix. And then let's melt the tomatoes. Guys, here we go. Add a little bit water. Siguro mga wala 1 glass lang. Okay guys. Saka na lang tayo mag-add. And then the tomatoes and onion melt. Okay, kaya muna natin siya. Okay. So look guys, this is the same thing guys. This is Tunisian tomato chili paste, and that other one is garlic, but not this. Okay. So guys, I add already around 3 glasses of water. Kasi ano siya, tawag dito, yung pinakang marag siya guys. Ito ay isasabaw natin dito. So guys, ito pandurog siya. Kaya dudurugin natin siya pa ganyan. Kasi para siya pumino. Ganyan po ang paggawa ng kanilang marag. Gari. Tapos ilalagay natin siya sa bread. What is that?
So these
with
guys.
those? Just a minute. Are you in those? It's okay, guys. I think you remember. I'm going to put for you down below the description in the description box how I make the dough. Guys, ito.
Description?
Okay guys, hati-hatiin natin ng bread ng napakaliliit. We call it Marfous.
Call it Marfous in the south, and in the east they call it Rfisa. Rfisa in the east. It's called west.
This is winter food, guys. Now it's around 7 o'clock, so that's our dinner.
Ano nakabit ka ba?
Okay. Now this is off now, tawag. Yeah, let's cut it, guys. Slowly. Small pieces, guys. Ayan. Sarap niya, guys. Sarap talaga sa ano lang siya, guys. Dito. Napakadali naman yung gawin. Pero ang sarap niya, makikita na yung guys. Ano na siya. Sarap ng bread na ito. Ang lambot niya. guys. Yung bread pa yung dalawa. Yan food guys. Diyan ilalagay natin ito. Okay? Yes. Ayan guys. Halo-halo siya.
في وسط الشارع.
So, ito na guys. Ito guys. Nice.